Hi, I'm Dan Holohan at the big AHR show with Mike Rivers of Uponor.
Hi Dan.
Mike,
How you doing?
We are worshiping at the Church of Uponor here.
Yes,
That's why we're down
you
on our
are.
knees.
Right. And this,
So tell me what you got.
Sure, we're showing our plumbing wall here. So we're starting out our 2-inch AquaPEX pipe. And the new product for us the last couple of years is this PEX pipe support. So it's a galvanized channel, allows us to increase our hanger spacing and gives us a 25-50 flame spread rating.
Nice. And this fitting?
Yep. Transition to a PEX, that's an engineered polymer. So all of our tees, couplings, elbows are engineered polymers now.
Okay, so up out of here?
Yep, so up to the 2-inch riser. So still using those PEX connections on the 2-inch tees. We transition to our red and our blue AquaPEX pipe.
Okay, ball valves there.
Yep, full port lead-free ball valve.
Okay, come over to here.
And this is really what we call the Uponor logic. So we're using the coilability and the flexibility of the PEX pipe and the multi-port tees to reduce the number of connections, therefore reducing the liability and risk.
Smart fittings to protect the pipe coming through?
Yep. So we can come out of the wall with PEX. We're featuring a lot of hold right product here for the fixture terminations. Another option is to use a copper stub L.
Yep.
Right, so it makes a nice rigid termination out of the wall with a compression stop.
And I see you're protecting the tubing as it's going through the metal studs?
Yep, we got to use grommets whenever we pass through steel studs. And then onto tub shower valve. Many manufacturers now are manufacturing valves with our F1960 connection on them, taking the hot work completely off the job.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go over there and get smarter.
All right.
Thanks for sharing.
Good, yeah, thank you.
So now I'm with Devin Abellon. Devin?
Hi.
And you're going to teach me something I don't know about hydronic distribution.
Okay.
So what do we have up here?
Well, what we're showing here is the use of PEX for hydronic distribution, for your chilled water, heating hot water distribution piping.
And that looks so neat.
It does. You know, you can see a lot of times when contractors and engineers look at PEX, they're concerned with it, you know, how it's going to sag, how it's going to look. This shows a very clean application with PEX pipe support used properly in order to give it that same look. As far as the installation goes, a contractor is going to use the same methods that he uses, that he currently uses with copper. The same hangers, the same insulation. It's all going to be very consistent with what they're normally used to doing. The only difference is now instead of copper, they're using PEX. So it becomes a very cost-effective alternative.
Beautiful, I love it. And Mike told me about plumbing, and here we've got the same type of thinking.
Exactly.
It makes sense for plumbing, it makes sense for hydronics, and it's so great to see this happening. So thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.